Greetings everyone, my name is Adrian Jones, and today I will be giving you a presentation on the concept of polymorphism in the C++ programming language. To start off, I would like to give a simple definition. What is it? Polymorphism is the ability to use an operator or method in different ways. Polymorphism gives different meanings or functions to the operators or methods. Poly, referring to many, signifies the many uses of these operators and methods. Why is it useful? The primary uses of polymorphism is the ability of objects belonging to different types to respond to method, field, or property calls of the same name, each one according to an appropriate type-specific behavior. The programmer and the program does not have to know the exact type of the object in advance, and so the exact behavior is determined at runtime. To explain this concept a little easier, I would like to use a real-world example. Here picture is a PlayStation 3 controller and an Xbox 360 controller. These will represent our operators in this example. If you don't know, the Xbox 360 gaming system and the PlayStation 3 gaming system can be used for a variety of functions. They can be used to play actual video games, play audio CDs, and even play DVDs. The controllers, like I stated, are the operators in this example. They can be used to operate a video game at one point in time, they can be used to operate a DVD at one point in time, and they can be used to operate an audio CD at one point in time. It is the same operator, the controllers, being used for three different tasks at hand, from the video game to the DVD to the audio CD. Now let's take a look at a coding example. Here we have the plus operator that's being used three ways differently. The first is integer addition, where we have two integers being added together, such as 8 and 27. The second example is an example of floating point addition, where we have 9.15 and 3.5 being added together. The last and not least example of this coding example is string concatenation, where we are simply combining strings together. A good way to remember the concept of polymorphism is to remember the concept of synonyms. You have a word that is being used different ways, although it is the exact same word, and operators and methods that are the exact same, but they're being used in different ways. This is definitely a simple way to remember the concept. Thank you, and this concludes my presentation on polymorphism.